2 al pastor tacos.
Okay. Sure, pastor taco. And the pineapple inside?
Oh yeah, everything.
Okay. ¿Por qué go?
For here.
You know?
99.
$2.
$0.99 chef. 99 cents chef.
First of all, Leo's knows how to do al pastor right. It's grilled just enough. There's a slight crunch on the outside, and it's still very tender and moist on the inside. I like how they slice it paper thin. With a sweet slice of pineapple, you really don't need to put anything on the taco. All right, time to try it out. Mmm. So, on the 99-cent chef's cheapskate dining scale of 1 to 9, 9 being best, I give Leo's taco truck $1 al pastor taco a perfect 9. So good.